हेलो टू एवरीवन। आज हम एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आए हैं, इंट्रा यूट्राइन कंट्रासेप्टिव डिवाइसेस, आईयूसीडीज बेसिकली जिन्हें हम कहते हैं। और आज के टॉपिक में हम मेनली एक टाइप की आईयूसीडी जो मेरे सामने आपको दिख रही है इस कॉपर 375, आल्सो नोन एज द मल्टी लोड 375, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। तो पहले इंट्रा यूट्राइन कंट्रासेप्टिव डिवाइसेस के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। These are the such devices which are introduced into uterine cavity to prevent the pregnancy. In this video, we will be dealing with the mainly this is copper 375, also known as the multi-load 375. So देखते हैं कि ये multi-load 375 क्या है. This is classified as open and medicated, that is bioactive device. एज यू कैन सी, यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं स्टेम पे इसके कॉपर वाइंड है, वायर कॉपर वायर राउंड है इस पे, तो इसके लिए इसको मेडिकेटेड है। और नाउ अबाउट दिस डिवाइस इज अवेलेबल इन स्टेरलाइज्ड सील पैकेट। एज यू कैन सी स्टेरलाइज्ड सील पैकेट, इट ऑल्सो हेल्दी, देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है स्टेराइल, ठीक है, स्टेराइल पैकेजिंग with an applicator. This is the applicator. Okay, this is the copper 375 IUCD and this is the applicator. There is no introducer and no plunger. Other copper teas have one introducer and one plunger, but in this copper 375 we don't have any introducer or plunger, so there is no introducer and no plunger. And why 375? 375, it means the surface area of the copper wire is 375 millimeter square. So the copper wire which is circled around the stem is 375 millimeter square surface area, which is approx 350 milligrams of copper is in this. And optimum contraceptive efficacy of this device is about 5 years from the date of insertion. Now we will go for the method of insertion, which is the main topic, how to introduce. So now we will go for the method of insertion. So basically insertion method हम आज देखेंगे क्या है. तो firstly preparation of the patient, in which we evacuate the bladder, means bladder is empty and patient is positioned in the lithotomy position. After that uterine sound and positions are ascertained in the patient. And then we introduce posterior vaginal speculum, and then vagina and cervix cleaned with an antiseptic lotion, which is necessary before procedure, and then anterior lift of the cervix grasped by the Ehrlich forceps. So I am having a one diagram for the reference. So this is the diagram. This is the uterus, this is ovaries, these are the fallopian tubes, and this is the cervix part, and this is the vagina part. Okay, so in this firstly we will grasp the anterior lip of the cervix with the Ehrlich forceps, and after that we introduce a uterine sound from the cervix to measure and the position of the uterus and the length of the uterine cavity. So we use a uterine sound. As you all know, uterine sound is a device introduced for the measurement of the positions and length of the uterine cavity. Then with no touch technique, this packet is opened. Okay, I am just opening. This is actually, this work has to be done with some other your colleague, so don't, your hands will be cleaned, sterile. After then आपका colleague आपको open करके देगा, then you will just pick it up this way. Okay, so this is the device copper T 375. Okay, this is the main contraceptive device copper 375, and this is the tube which is the applicator, and this is the guard. So what is the function of the guard? As we know, the uterine sound measures the length of uterine cavity, And after the measurement of the uterine cavity length, we just take out this paper and according to the according to the length, we can adjust the guard to the appropriate length as required. As so basic, if this is the length in the uterine sound, then we will adjust the guard at this point, and after adjusting this, we just simply introduce this through vagina, holding the cervix, anterior lip of cervix with Allis forceps, and then we just introduce it through cervix into the uterine cavity till the guard touches to the cervix. Now, and this position we just hold, and after that uterine tissue hold this copper T in the place, and we simply just pull back this applicator. This is the simple thing. We just have to pull back the applicator like this, and simply the copper T is to be held in the uterine cavity through the endometrial tissue, and we just take it out whole applicator. And after that, there are the two nylon threads, so we just cut them just below the cervix, approx 2 to 3 centimeter left in the vagina. So approx this place, threads are being cut in the vagina, leaving 2 to 3 centimeter in the vagina with the help of scissors, and remaining threads are left back. So this is the basic simple procedure. Safely, multi-load 375 is introduced into the uterine cavity, which gives the contraception effect approx 5 years. So what is the time of insertion? It can be divided into 4 basic types. Interval, that is beyond 6 weeks of following the childbirth or abortion, and it is preferred to insert 2 to 3 days after periods over, but it can be inserted anytime during the cycle, including the menstrual phase. Post-abortal means immediately following the termination of pregnancy by suction and evacuation or dilatation and evacuation procedure. Postpartum IUCD insertion means insertion done before the patient is discharged from the hospital. It is preferable to withhold the insertion for 6 weeks because of the high rate of expulsion. And post placental delivery insertion immediately following the delivery of the placenta. So basically these are the time for insertion of the NIUCD. And now we'll have a few points about the mechanism of action. So how these IUCD intrauterine contraceptive devices work. So basically we can say 3 main mechanisms: biochemical and histological changes in the endometrium, increased tubal motility which prevents fertilization, and endometrial inflammatory response. It decreases the sperm transport and its ability to fertilize the ovum. And this is the copper which is present in this copper ICDs, and this prevent the blastocyst implantation through the enzymatic interference. So basically this is an additional mechanism with the copper IUCDs, that they prevent the implantation. And after 5 years, this IUCD can be just pulled with the help of these nylon threads out from the vagina, and new IUCD can be introduced if required. So this is a simple video. I hope it will be beneficial for you people. I hope you will like this video. Please comment your questions in the comment box below, and if you like it, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.